Hi guys, I'm Soulful, and this is my girlfriend Natalia, and I'll be attempting to put makeup on her.
It's gonna be fun. Here I've laid out the brushes I use every day, just regular. They all look like a hot mess, but it's like foundation and powder, cheeks, eyes. I have liners for eyes and lips. I have mascara, and then all my other little things. And these are just basic things for everyday makeup. Okay, face is hydrated and lips too.
I know it's start this. Let's see what we got.
You start with foundation usually. I'm not gonna tell you anymore.
There we go. Get that in there real nice. Looking at this.
They're setting powder, please.
Oh.
That white powder. To your left.
Oh, what's it called?
Setting powder.
Colorless powder? Do I just slap you with it?
Crush.
This?
No.
Alright, then we get eyeshadow, or we don't add this at all yet?
Whatever you want.
Well, let's add some of this. Some darker
Bruh.
here. Where we put that at? I'll put that at.
I'm scared.
Where'd you add? You want one of these? Right underneath them bitches. Okay. It matches with the color a little bit. Alright. And do I have a regular brush for that? Let's see. Alright. Here goes nothing.
Where are you putting it?
Underneath your eyelash right there.
On the top.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Alright. Oh. Let's keep those eyes closed here for both our sakes. Oh my God.
I'm not even gonna look at myself.
Yeah, you look like an Egyptian queen. Make them all nice and juicy. Alright. Oh, let me get rid of that thing. Oh, that doesn't work. Does it?
Let's go there, go there. Go there.
Looks like you're getting ready for a stage production. Well, folks, how did I do? I think it looks pretty nice. I don't know, what do you think? For my first time.
I think you should not do makeup. That's not anything. Maybe it's a dare.
Well, there you have it, folks. Should never do makeup again. But it's up to you. So comment below.